Hi there and welcome to Adil Uda, a new day and a new product. So today we got an amazing product. It just came today. Everyone is waiting for it and I know you guys are waiting for it. So today I got you the product and I'll open it for you. So at the beginning, first of all, I'll make it as a surprise. I'm not gonna say the name of the product because you guys have to guess what is in there. I'll give you a hint. It's very, 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 very popular and everyone is waiting for it to come down. And it came to my house. And today I received it. Here it is. Oh, that's my address. And the first thing I have to remove is a sticker because of the address. Let's open it together. طبعا this is Do you guys hear it? Before I go ahead, guys, you have to subscribe to my channel, guys. Come on, subscribe so I can continue. Don't keep on watching. Subscribe and share and like so I can continue. I don't want to show you them. Ta-da! It's an iPhone! iPhone, guys, iPhone. Now, what kind of iPhone? Will you guys guess? What kind of iPhone is this? Which year? Which model? You guys will know for sure. You would know. This is iPhone 14, and I'm one of those guys in the whole world that just received it today. So it was a pre-order, and I just received it today. Phone 14. Let's open it from here. Listen, guys, listen to this. Listen. Wow, the iPhone 14 comes. Beautiful. See how it is. Very nice. Very thin. Very amazing. That's how it looks. Wow. Let's remove it. Woo, that's cool. I like it. I'm crazy about iPhone 14. Been waiting for it. So the specifications, as you said, in terms of the SIM card here, right? It's not supposed to have the SIM card tray, but I really surprisingly when I saw it, I was surprised. Why does it have the SIM tray? Because when they advertised there should not be a SIM, it will be eSIM. But anyway, what I just did when I researched, I saw that for the US market, they did not have the SIM tray at all, and it will be eSIM. but for the Canadian market, they would have the SIM card and eSIM. That's really good. I mean, frankly, it's good. I mean, people can choose either eSIM or SIM card, but I don't see any difference. But yeah, that's it regarding it. Now in the cameras also, you can see that the cameras are out here, right? Camera shift, yeah, you can see it outside here. That's how I can see it. And that's how it is. See. So and it's like the satellite. You can, you know, if you're in emergency and you're outside, out of nowhere, you can just call the satellite like 911, and they would, you know, you just have to direct to the satellite. It will show you that the direction direct to the satellite, and then, you know, you can call chat with emergency. So as you guys see how it is, it's beautiful, it's amazing. كيف شكله. 2 cameras, كاميرتين. I thought that there should not be SIM card, but it seems that there's a place for SIM card. As per the news, when I heard when it came up, the launch, he said that there's no SIM card, and it's gonna be like, you know, you just call the company and they can add more than one number. You can use more than one number, but I don't know why I see the SIM card place here. I think we have to research that. So that's how it looks. Frankly, I'm not used to small phones. I'm always used to Pro Max, so I have my recording from this other camera, the 12 Pro Max, and I thought, you know, let's see how the small ones looks like. So this is how it looks. Amazing. And yeah, so let's see what it says on the book of it. Okay, access. So here you get, oh, you got a charger. I thought that the charger is different. You know, I think the previous iPhones, the chargers were not with the phone. Oh yeah, they are. You just need to buy the plug. I think so. I don't remember. iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think I bought the charger separately. No, I not. It came with it. There's a charger. Okay. So designed by Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California, as you can see. See the booklet. So you have this one here. I want to open the SIM card, please. So before using, so it's English and French. Before using before using iPhone, review the iPhone user guide and support Apple safety and handling. Ensure battery and charging. Hearing lasers, avoid hearing damage, medical. Okay, where are the specifications of this phone? I don't see it here. So I guess we need to research it. So put this back. Let's see. All right. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I know for sure that you guys will subscribe and share and like, so we can go make new videos. Now let me tell you a surprise. I've also ordered the Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's coming in October, and I will make a video for you guys, sure that I know that you guys will subscribe in my channel. That's why you'll see the next iPhone 14 Pro Max. That would be in October somewhere, I don't know, it's October 15, 16 something, but I will record a video when I unbox it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you guys are lovers of iPhone, and you will share and subscribe and you like my channel, so I will continue posting new videos, new day and new products. Hasta la vista.